Okay, the next question is observation number 6. Let's look at the question. Query the list of city name starting with these. We have here, I copy pasted here before, and in this time the order of the query is not same as the order of the question. It starts from the last part of the question. Your result cannot contain duplicate. Start with select. Distinct. City. The table is a station, and the first part of the question, query the list of city names starting with these word, with these characters. Where city where city we use like E-I-O-U, E-I-O-U, percent, okay, I think it's okay. It was very simple, and the MS SQL is better than DB2, and we didn't get unknown errors.